In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a free non-copyright music with amazing AIs on the internet. So I know you've probably heard about AIs creating music, but have you ever witnessed the process in which it does that? Well, in this video, I'm going to introduce you guys to a new music generator AI, and I'm going to show you guys the process of how you can create your new music with this AI for free. So you can use this music for your cover songs, your YouTube videos, and the rest. So before I commence with the procedure, kindly give this video a like and also subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my upcoming updates. Now to the main part of the video. So just like I made mention earlier, this is a free procedure, and you can see on your screen these are music I've generated by myself and I've been using them. These are all cover music. Let me play one for you guys to see how it goes. So let me play this here. You get it? So that's how it is. So before you can generate this music, you need to get your lyrics, and then you add a few descriptions. So the description is going to help the AI know the type of music you want it to generate for you. So with the lyrics, you are going to hop on this platform. This is POE platform that's owned by Quora. It has a lot of chatbots on here. Have ChatGPT, DeepSeek, a lot on here. So we'll be using assistant chatbot to do this. So you can see this is the prompt. You just need to give it a prompt, a proper one. You can add duration if you want to. So this is a 2 minutes duration. So you can see this is a 2 minute singing poem on Frost to Forever. This is Elsa and Jack Forever Journey. This is a Disney cover song. So all you need to do is you just enter your prompt there, give it some duration if possible. After that, you copy your lyrics. So you just right click and then you copy your message here. So you come here, you hop on the platform. So the platform you are going to use in this video is Refusion. So all you need to do is just hop on here and then you search Refusion. I don't know if that's the spelling, but this is the website. Depending on your location, this is the website. Just hop on there and then create an account. So use your Gmail to sign up, and then when you sign up, this is how the accounts look like. This is the interface, a user-friendly interface. So you just tap on this side here, which is the lyrics, and then you paste your lyrics here. So you can see, let me remove the lyrics I have here. So I would have to clear it, and then let me paste the lyrics I copied earlier. So you need to do some edits. You can see that AI did add some outro and what. You need to remove it, else it's going to appear in the music. So now let me come here and let me do the same. Let me remove the chorus and everything there. So now you can see I have my lyrics fully posted here. So the description I was talking about is this. So you can see the sound here. You need to add some descriptions. So this is a cover song. So I added this prompt. So it should be in a trance form. It should be dramatic. It should be soft. The voice should be a female vocal, and then cinematic, and then it should be a cover song that people can dance with because it's a video for kids. So if you are trying to generate an Afrobeat, a hip hop, a rock, electric, whatever genre you want to create, you just need to add the vibe here. You need to add the sound or something like that. After that, you click on the generate to generate. So now I have my music generated here. So mostly this AI is going to generate two types of music for you. So you choose the one you prefer. So to download your music from this side, all you need to do is tap on the three dots here, and you can see download here, and you download it in MP3 or M4A. So I'm going to choose the MP3. So you can see preparing my audio. So I'm going to see the download here in a jiffy. So that's it. So after downloading your music, you can upload it on your YouTube channel, or you can add it as a cover photo for your YouTube video. Very, very simple and easy. So now you can create non-copyright music with AIs on the internet for free. So the website I use here is Refusion. They have a premium version you can choose if you want to. But then for now, you should go with the free version. If you make money in the future, or if you have money now, you can go for the premium version as well. So that's it. So there are a lot of AIs that can help you create music like this. So one of them is Suno and the rest. I'm going to do a video on that. I'm going to compile all of them and then do some comparisons and talk about their pros and cons. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and also subscribe to my channel.